Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change dark theme to lights out on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on settings and privacy, then tap on accessibility, display and languages. After that, tap on display. Next tap on dark mode. Then you can see the option of dark theme. Below it you can see the option of lights out. Tap on it. So this is how you can change dark theme to lights out on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.